on your pistol PS or your tank PSI?
100.
How much?
100.
100? Okay,
Yeah.
I run mine at 120 and it does a half cock and it annoys the fuck out of me.
Yeah, 100's perfect.
120's right there.
Take it easy then. No. I didn't think they were gonna come out like that. That's crazy. You alright? Oh, sorry about that. Thanks. What the hell? Yeah, I'm alright. No, it's alright.
said hit, and then you went full fucking auto, dog.
Yeah, I heard the full auto.
Thanks.
Yo, Jack! Yo, Jack! Yo, my whole team just all like, I'm going out there, bro.
I didn't hear any of you yelling for a rep. None of you. All I heard was your full autos were just going off crying. So I don't want to hear, oh, he did it first, he did this first. I know someone did something first. What I saw is you guys crying.
I'm
Full
full
auto. Walking away.
When you're walking away and you're getting lit up, you think I'm just gonna take that?
No,
I'm sorry, I'm sorry, Matt. I'm sorry for hitting you. I'm sorry for hitting you if anybody wants to understand that, but like, yo, I got lit up in the fucking face. I can't watch this. And then the kick got pissed off and full auto, bro? Like, that's not right. Like, I don't give a fuck. I don't care who you are. Like, it's BB's, but like, I took him outside and broke his fucking face. I'm going to jail, right? That's my point. Like, I'm a kid. I did 3 years in prison, bro. I'll drop a gun and beat the fuck out of anybody. Yo, we all gotta go into a parking lot at some point, and I gotta leave in about 30 minutes.
Clear the field, guys. Barrel bags on, safety's on, mags out.
Me too.
I heard the dude full auto, and that's like a man, dude.
Yeah. Yeah.